Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will discuss how to find out inverse of a matrix of order 2 by 2 using elementary column transformation or operation. These are the points which I will discuss in this video. Definition of invertible matrix, patterns and elementary transformation or operations to be used to find out the inverse of a given matrix using col- column transformation. Solved example based on it and exercise with answers. After watching this video, you can take the screenshot of the exercise and you can test your knowledge. Invertible matrix. Here in this video, I will discuss all these definitions in brief. To know in detail about invertible matrix operation and pattern, watch the video whose link is given in the description box of this video. Here I am telling you in brief. As we know that, as we know that if AB equals I equals BA, where A, B and I are square matrices of same order, then what would be, if this condition is satisfied, then A and B are inverse of each other. That is, A inverse will be B and B inverse will be A. For elementary column transformation, what we write like this: A equals AI. This is the first step. Means any matrix will be given to us and we will write like this. In this case, we will apply column transformation. Means all the transformations would be done in column only. What is the pattern? How do we do? What is our actually purpose to make it? For example, any matrix is given to us 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. This matrix is given to us. We will write like A equals A into identity matrix of the same order as of matrix A. We will take the order of these two matrices same. We will write like this. Now, what would be our purpose? Our purpose would be to find out, to make this matrix as identity matrix. And for that, we will apply some operations, elementary operations of transformation in columns only, because we are talking about column, elementary column transformation. And the same transformation would be done in RHS. For that, what would be the pattern? Our main purpose would be to make it identity matrix. If this will become identity matrix, then, and we know that I equals, if A is there, then its inverse will be this. Suppose this will come out to be a matrix B, and if A into B equals identity matrix, means B is equal to A inverse. For that, what is our pattern? How we will make it? Like as I told you, there is a matrix 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. A equals A into I. I want to make it identity matrix. For that, I will use a pattern. What is that pattern? Let's see. We will use this pattern. What is its meaning? Its meaning is, we will make it, because we want to make it identity matrix. First, we will make it 1, then 0, then 1, then 0. We have to make it, we have to convert it into identity matrix, but this will be the pattern. First we will make this element 1, then we will make this element 0, then we will make this element 1, and then we will make this element 0. If we will follow this pattern, we will not have any problem in the calculation. If we will not follow the pattern, for example, I will make it 1, then I want to make it 0, then I want to make it 0, then 1. It may, if I am trying to make it 0, it will become again other than 1, any other element other than 1. Like it will be again become 2, or it may become 3, and on. So if we will follow this pattern, we will not have such kind of problem. And what are the elementary operations? Miss, you this learn this U, horizontal U. This is the pattern. 1 0 1 0. What are the elementary operation? Number 1, we can interchange columns with each other. Number 2, we can multiply any column with a non-zero constant. Number 3, we can write any column. We can add or subtract the multiple of any other column. We can write Ci equals Ci plus Cj, or we can write Ci plus minus, we can write Ci plus minus multiple of any other row or column, where k any non-zero constant in all the cases. Let's see how we will apply all these. We will keep these operations in our mind. First of all, write down the pattern. This is the pattern. And then operations. Operations, I will write down Ci, Cj, interchange. Number 2, Ci arrow, Kci. Number 3, Ci arrow, Ci plus minus K, Cj. And this is the pattern. Keep these two things in mind. And let's start. First of all, it's 1, it's 0, it's 1, and it's 0. We have to make it. First of all, we will write down A equals AI. What is A? 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2 equals A as it is. And I will be the identity matrix of order 2 by 2, 1 0 0 1. So what I will do? According to this pattern, first of all, I will make it 1. I will make it 1. To make it 1, what operation I can apply? I can write, and be very careful that we can apply the operation in column only. So we can apply it. I want to make it a 1. What can I do? I can write C1 arrow C1 divided by 2 using this k is any non-zero constant. Dividing it, I will get, divide this column by 2. It will become 1, 1 upon 2. And column 2 will remain as it is. No change in column 2. A as it is. Same transformation would be done this side in this column 1. 1 divide this by 2. 1 upon 2, 0, 0, 1. Now what is my next step? My next step is I would like to make it this element according to 0. I will come over here. I will follow this pattern. To make it 0, what can I do? I can write C2. I will do the operation in this column. C2 arrow, C2 plus 6C1. If I multiply C1 by 6 and add into it, I will get 0 over here. Column 1 will remain as it is, no change, and it will become 0. And C2, that is minus 2 plus 6 into C1, that is half. That is minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. It will become 1. Same would be done this side, A as it is. No change in C1 and in C2. C2, that is 0 plus 6 into half. It will become 3. 1 plus it will become 1 only. Now the next step, what I have to do? Next step is, according to the pattern, what I'm supposed to do. According to the pattern, this is 1, this is 0. 1 is already there. Good. Now I have to make it 0. This. I have to make it 0. So what can I do? I can write C1. I'm using this step is used over here. You can see. Again, I will use this operation. C1 arrow, C1 minus half C2. C1 arrow. C2 will remain as it is. We are making change in C1 only. C1, that is 1 minus half into 0. That is 1 only. Half minus half, that is 0. Half minus 3 by 2. That is minus 1. 0 minus half, that is minus half. So here what we have got, you can see this is identity matrix, this is A. So what would it be? This would be A inverse, because if A into A, B equals, it is a new matrix B. If AB equals I, we say that B the inverse of A. So we can say B, which is equal to A inverse, is equal to minus 1, 3, minus half, and 1. This is our final answer. Let's take one more example. Again, we will write the pattern 1, 0, 1, 0. And same transformations will be used. We can interchange any two rows. Number 1, number 2, number 3, same transformations. Let's try. First of all, we will write down A equals AI. Then A is 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1 equals A as it is, and I 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, according to the pattern, first of all, we will make it 1. To make it 1, what can I do? I can write, change would be done in column. C1 arrow, I can divide column 1 by 6. This property will be used. Then 6 upon 6, that is 1, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 3. Second column will remain as it is. Same would be done in RHS. 1 by 6, 0, 0, 1. Now, the second step is, I'll make it 0. I have to make it 0. What I will do? To make it 0, I can write C2 arrow, C2 plus 3C1, multiplying by C1 by 3 and adding it into C2. What we will do? Write down, first column will remain as it is, and second 0, 1 plus 3 into C1, that is minus 1 upon 3. It will come out to be 0, equals A, and it will become 1 by 6 C1, 1 by 6, and 0 will remain as it is in C1, and C2, C2 plus 3 into 1 by 6, it will become half, and 1 plus it will be 1. What we have noticed over here? We can see whenever we are making, we are doing transformation to get the inverse of this. In between, we could see all elements of C2 column are 0. If such condition arises, if we get some situation, in that case, inverse does not exist. And you will write down the reason. Because all elements of column 2, that is C2, are 0. So inverse of given matrix, inverse of 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1 does not exist. So you have to be very careful. Sometimes it may happen that it does not exist. This is the exercise based on the concept which we have discussed in the video. You can take the screenshot and you can test your knowledge. That's all in this video. If you have liked the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it right now to get more informative videos in future. Thank you so much.